Hello friends, I'm Altaf Hussain, a BTech graduated, completed my engineering in year 2011. Now, I'm going to share you my experience at DBA Technologies and my career. What I faced, what problems I faced, what I have achieved at DBA Technologies. So, starting with stepping out of boat as a fresher, like many others, undecided what to do, what life had to offer next. I was very confident that time that I will get a job as an BTech, as an engineer. I completed my BTech in first class, but later I realized that without any technical skills, who will give you an opportunity? Who is going to give me an opportunity? So I was not interested in programming field at the time, like Java or .NET. I was not that much perfect in Java or .NET so that I can face an interview and I can crack the interview. But then I started hunting for a field which should have good scope in the market, which should be evergreen and should not have any kind of programming or coding. And then after that, I surveyed many institutes, attended many demos. My hunting boat stopped at DBA course. Then I joined DBA, and while doing my DBA, many people have suggested me that, hey man, doing just course is not enough. If you want to get a job, do the course with dedication and with the perfection, so that when you be given an opportunity to face an interview, you should crack the interview at the first attempt. Then after the completion of my course, I started hunting for the job. Again, it was a false idea for my side. So then I faced an interview, I got out of that one. Then my friend suggested that, hey man, this is not happening. You should be very perfect in DBA. To get that perfection, I have decided to join as a lab coordinator, where I will be working from morning to evening in the technology itself. So then I joined DBA Technologies as a lab coordinator. That is, my friend Hafiz has suggested me to join as a lab coordinator over here as he was working here. And then he conducted me an interview with the MD of this institute, Mr. Prasad Manampati. And when I faced his interview, sir took an interview for about 5 minutes and I have not even answered a single question. So thanks to Mr. Prasad Manampati sir for giving me an opportunity, though I don't have that much knowledge, to work as a lab coordinator. He allowed me to practice for 2-3 months, and then later he decided for me to work as a lab coordinator. Then as sir suggested, I have joined as a lab coordinator, worked for 2-3 months and then started taking classes. That helped me build more confidence. Now after that, after completion of my course, after the completion of my training and all these things, started taking the classes, faced many, taken classes for many batches, assisted many students in DBA course. Then I realized that this is the thing what I was looking for since last 2 years. So then I have completed my course, doing the job well, as my own goal is to complete it with perfection, get good knowledge and move as a DBA, get the job as a DBA. And Prasad Manampati sir helped me in every aspects to get me a job. I completed here more than 1 year. I completed my career as a lab coordinator here at more than 1 year. Prasad sir helped me a lot. What an immense knowledge what that Prasad sir is having. He shared all his real-time experiences, got given many things I earned from him. So thanks to Mr. Prasad Manampati sir for his excellent teaching skills and good, I would say that he's like a genius. Whatever Prasad sir used to teach, it's every bit of thing is more helpful for you in every aspect of life. So thanks to Mr. Prasad Manampati sir for allowing me, for giving me an opportunity. One thing I would like to have in my career is that whatever the position I will be in, should not forget about this institute. Why? Because this institute has given me that thing which I don't even have. I was looking for the thing and Prasad sir has given me an opportunity to get that thing. that is the course, DBA course with perfection. So thanks to sir, and thanks to DBA Technologies for a great environment over here. As I have done my DBA from other institutes, I don't want to mention that name where I have done, but I would say that it was not even a 40% what the teaching is here. I've just done a course, but how to implement that in the real time? Okay, what is the difference between that? What is the difference between the real time practice and the lab practice over here? That knowledge I don't have. How the database admin's work will be, how he has to work, that we don't have in that institute. That I got from this institute. I have learned many things. Before this, before joining as a lab coordinator, I was not even confident of giving any seminars on the stage. I was having a stage fear. So that confidence I got from DBA Technologies. I got much good communication skills, that which I am sharing with you. Because of that one, I am just confidently giving this a review on DBA Technologies, what DBA Technologies have provided for me. So thanks to Mr. Prasad Manapati sir for providing this environment for the freshers as well as for the experienced people who wants to change their field. So this environment helped for the freshers as well as for the experienced people who wants to learn DBA. And one thing I suggest my friends, if you are choosing for a database administration field, don't just take a course. If you want to do the course, don't waste your money by just completing the course, just by attending the classes. No, you will get the course, you will get the knowledge only when you practice. That practice is important, and I suggest you to practice at least 2 to 4 hours a day to get a good knowledge. Then only you can say that you are yes, I am a junior database administrator. Without practice, nothing is going to happen, my friends. And thanks for listening to this review. Thanks to Mr. Prasad Manapati sir. Thanks to DBA Technologies. And one more thing, thanks to my friends, my colleagues, the other lab coordinators who helped me in every aspect. Okay, before getting the knowledge, as I said, Mr. Hafiz and Mr. Upender was there. He helped me a lot to get the knowledge what he is having. He shared all his experiences, all the knowledge with me. He also got the job in a company as a DBA. Now, thanks to Prasad sir and thanks to everyone who helped me. Now, I got a job as a fresher at MLOC Solutions as a database administrator, where I will be handling Oracle databases of a company which is a US based client. So, thanks to DBA Technologies. Because of this DBA Technologies, I got job, I got good knowledge, and I got job as a database administrator. Thanks you.